In this video, I will show you the complete iCloud setup for your Windows PC without any stress. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider how to stay tuned to this video and see how to set up iCloud photo and synchronize all your photo in your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open your photo viewers on your Windows PC, and the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right there, click on these three dots, and then come down below right here, click on settings, and then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here, you have show iCloud photo right here. Make sure you turn on this, and then next thing you want to do is to navigate to the sidebar right here, click on this icon, and it's going to take you to iCloud right here, just like what you see. Add your iCloud photo to Microsoft Photo right here. You can see how it's going to look like. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Get iCloud for Windows, and it's going to redirect and take you to Microsoft Store. And it's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down and read details about this particular iCloud and what people have to say. The megabyte size is about 734 megabytes. All you have to do is to scroll down and read details about this. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on install right here, getting ready. And then after a successful installation, you just want to make sure you complete the setup, and then you are done. You can see preparing to download.